Good morning, students. Myself, Vikram Kulkarni, working in Maharaja Jawajirao Shinde, Mahavidyalaya Srigonda, as a junior college teacher in mathematics. This lecture is used for students only. Now, we take 3 lectures on functions. Now, we move toward 4th lecture, which is representation of function. Representation of function. We know that what is meant by function when domain and codomain, when domain and codomain interacts with each other with some relation or fixed relation, then it is called as function. Then representation of function, that means in which manner we define the function. Now we discuss some representation. First form is verbal form. We explain this form, various form, with same example. That means how can change or what is the change in a representation of function with same example. In verbal form, we define the function by verbally. That means it is in statement form. Verbal form. Output exceeds twice the input by 1. Output exceeds twice the input by 1. In this form, the definition of function should be represented by verbal or verbally. Then we can find the domain and codomain. Okay. Therefore, in which form domain is set of inputs and codomain, it is a set of outputs. Set of inputs and set of outputs. That means the input which is used in this form gives output which is exceeds twice the input by 1. That means if x is a input, then output is twice the input. That means 2x. Twice the input plus 1 by 1. That means 2x plus 1. Then we can take inputs, and with respect to input we get output. It is the first form, that is a verbal form. Second form, arrow form on Venn diagram. It is a very effective representation of the function in which we use Venn diagram. It is a very pictorial representation. Which gives very effective representation of function. It is a domain. That means it is a A, it is a B, and the mapping form domain to codomain by function f, which is the same example in a verbal form. That means 2x plus 1, x and 2x plus 1, output exceeds twice the input by 1. Therefore we can check here. If input is 2, then twice of input, that means 4 plus 1, it is a 5. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, it is 7. 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, it is 9. 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, it is a 11. Therefore, it is a very effective representation in which domain is a set of pre-images. All pre-images should be contained in a domain and images contained in a codomain. Okay, it is very simple representation and which gives a pictorial representation. This arrow represents the mapping from domain to codomain. Okay, now third representation is a ordered pair form. Ordered pair form, in which this mapping is represented by order pair in the form of xy. Order pair in the form of xy. X be the element in a domain and y be the element in a codomain. Okay, it is the first component, y is the second component. Therefore domain is set of first component and codomain is set of second component. This mapping 2 5, it is the first pair. 3 7, it is second pair. 4 9 is the third pair. 5 11 is the last pair. Therefore it is an ordered pair form. Ordered pair in the form of xy. The function is defined in the form of order pair. Fourth, it is a rule formula. Now in set we can use roster form. We can use formula. Okay, this formula defines the function. Here y is equal to, it is the second component, y is equal to f of x. This f of x is a function which gives the second component, which is a 2x plus 1, where x belongs to n. It is a natural number, and natural number lies between 1 and 6. It is also represented by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 5. When we use strictly less than, then 1 less than x less than 6, and 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 5, that means 2 and 5 also included. Therefore it is a formula which gives y is equal to f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, where x belongs to n, that means it is a natural number and it is lies between 1 and 6. Therefore it is a fourth form, which is the rule form. Last, tubular form. We use this tubular form in a graphical method in linear equation in 10th. Tubular form is a very simple form in which x and y, by definition, we take two rows here, x and y, and according to value of x, we can find the value of y by this formula or input output form. Okay, then this order pair should be written in the form of table. Okay, it is a fifth form, tubular form. Now last form, which is depend upon this tubular form, it is a graphical form. Yes, graphical form in which x and y axis, it is a y axis, it is a x axis, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, first point is 2 5 2 5. It is a first point. It is a 2 5. Then 3 7 3 7. It is a 3 7. 4 9. It is a 4 9. Last 5 11. It is a 5 11. Therefore, we can represent the form or the function in the form of graphical also. Therefore, we can represent the function in any form which is suitable for you, through which we can understand the function easily. Thank you so much.